Okay, so here is the Gray Wolf 27RR with the limited package. You can see it does have the power jack on the front. It's got the new red stripe, solar prepped, Moride step system, nice little outside camp kitchen, refrigerator, stovetop, rear entry drawer, power awning with LED lights on it. Let's walk in the door. Huge dinette, wraparound dinette, nice decor, bed with closets, stainless steel appliances, Furrion stereo system. Does come with a spare tire as well. A lot of dealers will not order them with the spare tire. Patio system, nice storage system up top here. There's the video of the 27RR.